See it, fix it. Introducing the Watts Undersink Guardian with new Cross-Sense Indicator, the first ever diagnosable and inline repairable 4-port point-of-use mixing valve. When traditional point-of-use mixing valves clog, the problem is hard to diagnose and a hassle to repair. Fouled point-of-use mixing valves can lead to crossflow, or the unwanted movement of water between hot and cold lines. Crossflow exposes building occupants to sudden bursts of scorching hot or icy cold water at the tap, leading to an increased risk of scalding, thermal shock, or potential exposure to Legionella due to improperly tempered water. Today, the only way to diagnose crossflow is to manually test every faucet one by one. And when strainers foul, entire valves need to be replaced, sometimes every valve in that restroom. It's a time and labor-intensive process, resulting in extensive, costly downtime. The LFUSG-CS is a revolutionary step forward in point-of-use mixing valve technology, engineered to help contractors easily identify crossflow and repair fouled valves. Equipped with built-in cross-sense technology, the LFUSG-CS features an easy-to-understand color indicator, allowing contractors and facility managers to identify crossflow at a glance, eliminating manual testing and saving significant time and labor. Once identified, resolving the issue has never been easier. As the first ever inline repairable point-of-use mixing valve, the LFUSG-CS features replaceable strainer cartridges. Just turn off the water, pull out the spring clip, remove the cartridge, and insert the replacement. Repairs that would have taken hours can now be completed in minutes with minimal downtime and lower material waste. Help protect your customers from scalding, thermal shock, and potential exposure to Legionella by specifying the LFUSG-CS, the first diagnosable and inline repairable point-of-use mixing valve. For additional details on this product, connect with your local Watts rep today.